Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play PUBG Mobile on iPhone without a VPN. First, understand that regional restrictions often prevent direct downloads of the game in certain countries. This method focuses on leveraging your iPhone's built-in capabilities to bypass these geographical limitations, ensuring you can enjoy the game seamlessly. We will guide you through a simple, four-step process that avoids the need for any third-party VPN applications, offering a straightforward solution for all players. Many regions restrict PUBG Mobile, making it unavailable in your local app store. To circumvent this, you will need to temporarily change your iPhone's App Store region. Choose a country where the game is readily accessible, such as the United States or Canada. Before proceeding, ensure you have spent any remaining Apple ID balance and canceled all active subscriptions, as these can prevent a successful region change. This step is crucial for accessing the game without a VPN. To change your App Store region, navigate to your iPhone settings, tap your Apple ID, then select Media and Purchases and View Account. From there, choose Country/Region and select your desired new location. You will be prompted to agree to new terms and conditions. Crucially, you will need to enter a valid billing address and phone number for that country. Generic addresses can often be found with a quick online search, making this step straightforward. Once your region is successfully updated, open the App Store and search for PUBG Mobile. You should now be able to download and install the game without any issues. After the game has finished downloading and is installed on your iPhone, you can safely revert your App Store region back to your original country. The game will remain fully functional, allowing you to play without needing a VPN or encountering further regional blocks. Enjoy countless hours of gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.